Who's ready to play basketball and soccer? Me. Logan, are you gonna play too? Today we have the Smart Shot Sports Center from VTech. This one is great as it's transitioning to spring. We have some days that are rainy and we still have tons of energy. Yeah. Nice. So we can use this for active play indoors. It comes with a basketball and a soccer ball. This is great for hand-eye coordination, but also gross motor skill development as they try to get it in the net or the hoop. But then there's also fine motor skill development as well with the different little manipulatives on the side for those little hands. There's buttons as well. Let me turn it on here and show you. There is a screen. It's gonna be really interactive. As you shoot the hoops, it'll encourage you to keep playing. And then kiddos will try and get it in the net as well. Griff likes to still play with it even though he's a little old, but and Logan's just now learning. And then both of the balls have places that store right behind the net. So this one is awesome. Check it out. Yeah. He dunked on you, Logan.